Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make deviled eggs with shrimp updated. Grab a dozen eggs, 8 ounces cooked shrimp, mayonnaise, mustard, and seasoning to begin. Start by boiling eggs gently and cooling them in ice water so they peel cleanly. Mash yolks with mayonnaise and mustard, fold in chopped shrimp, then pipe back into egg whites. Finish with paprika and a shrimp on top for elegance and flavor. Combine mashed yolks with mayonnaise, mustard, and lemon juice in a bowl and taste as you go to adjust balance. Add chopped shrimp and a pinch of salt, mixing gently so shrimp remain distinct. If you like heat, fold in a dash of hot sauce or cayenne to taste. Transfer the mixture to a piping bag or spoon it into halved whites for a clean presentation that holds up on a platter. Pipe the shrimp yolk filling into each egg white half for a professional look that is easy to replicate at home. Chill the plated eggs for at least 30 minutes to let flavors meld and textures firm up before guests arrive. Garnish with a sprinkle of paprika, a few chopped chives, and 1 whole shrimp on each egg to signal the flavor inside and make the dish pop on any buffet or appetizer tray.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.